What's up, Golf Noob? So after visiting the LPGA stars yesterday at the Annika, watching what really good golf looks like, Golf Noob is back on course. The camera does not do us justice. Look at this elevation change. Those guys are way down there. We're going way over there via that direction, I think. Golf is hard. Stick around, see what happens. Good shot, Kelly. So we're still on that same hole we showed you guys a minute ago. That nasty elevation change off the tee. Neil here is living his birthday life because apparently some way, somehow. Oh my God. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Oh man, you can't take this guy anywhere. What a shot, bro. That's stupendous. Kelly did not give it a chance. Meanwhile, Neil here, the birthday boy, has got this amazing look for birdie. Par 4 from up the hill over the forest to a fairway that's like 100 yards down below us. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh my God, what a shot. All right, Neil for birdie. You got this, brother. Yeah! Yeah, baby. Let's go. Kelly, this is for par for you, isn't it? Nice, very nice.